Hello again, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Eve, and from you see me, you know what it is. Guys, today we are at the Baleine Falls in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and enjoy this vlog. Like up this video, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. But up there, it's like bricks. Oh my god, this is nice. I think I'm going to see the water in my hand. Freedom. Beautiful. Beautiful. If you come to St. Vincent and you don't visit this place, you haven't done it.
Our papa, we throw a salama, now you hold us down. These are the gods, where them they carry for pocket. Woo! My feet. God. Last season, chapel, power of the Trinity. Woo! My feet. Oh God, that hurts. Fine. In Revelation.